onto Google, you're gonna type in aesthetic pictures, images, or sticker packs, and then you're just gonna start scrolling until you find an image that you really like. If you don't have access to any of these things, you can just get a piece of paper and draw it and cut it out later, and it'll be fine. But I found this blue image, so I'm just gonna press right click and then copy, and then I'm gonna go onto Google Slides, get a new slide, and get a text box, and all you do is Command P to paste, and then on Google Slides there is this print button which you can just press, and you're just going to print it out. Okay, so now getting our image, we're going to need some parchment paper, clear tape, and some scissors. Now getting that out of the way, we're going to first cut our stickers. So I like to do it with a border as it looks more nice, but you can do whatever you want. Okay, so now we're going to get our parchment paper and just rip out the amount that we'll need. So I just ripped out the size roughly of my sticker sheet. And after doing that, we're going to get some clear tape and start taping the parchment paper, as this will be the sticky part of our sticker once we peel it off later on. And then we're going to get our images and space them nicely, make sure they're not stuck on together, as it'll be more easier to cut it later on. And once again, we're going to get our clear tape and just tape the top of it, and then we're going to get our stickers, and finally we're going to cut it out. Make sure there is a little bit of a gap when you cut them, as it'll be more easier later on. Now that we are done, we're going to get the access, and then you can do whatever you want with them. So now I'm going to show you some examples of what you can do with your stickers. So the first one is just storing them. So what I like to do is I like to collect my stickers in like a little container box. Another thing you can do with it is just like tape it onto any random surface. I'm going to use my pencil box thing as an example. So we're just going to peel off the parchment paper, as you can see, and just throw that in the bin or wherever you want. And then, as you can tell, the back will be sticky. And then we're going to get a sticker and just place it onto the surface. And we are done. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the DIY stickers. Bye!